Is your Ram 1500's bed still naked and exposed to the elements, costing you money in gas mileage every single day? Stop treating your truck like a glorified sedan and give it the protection it actually deserves with a proper bed cover. In this video, I'm breaking down the absolute best bed covers for the Ram 1500 that I've personally put to the test. If you want to know which one is worth your hard-earned cash and which one you should avoid, stick around. Number 5. Toptinity HTF011. This is a hard-folding truck bed cover that aims to give you that solid, secure protection without the premium price tag usually associated with hard covers. When I first pulled this out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the finish. Unlike the matte textures we see on most modern covers, Toptinity went with a shine-finished aluminum paneling. It definitely pops when the sun hits it, and if you have a lot of chrome accents on your Ram, this might actually complement your build quite well. The installation was straightforward enough. It uses a clamp-on system that didn't require me to drill into the bed rails, which is always a plus. It took me about 30 minutes to get it aligned and locked down. Feature-wise, it offers the standard tri-fold utility. You can fold it back 2/3 of the way to carry taller items, and it comes with built-in LED lights, which was a surprisingly nice touch for a budget option. It makes digging for tools at night a lot easier. The panels are aluminum honeycomb, so they are relatively lightweight but strong enough to support a decent snow load. I also appreciated that the tailgate seal is dual action, meaning you can close the tailgate whether the cover is up or down. You don't have to awkwardly lift the cover every time you want to shut the truck. However, after living with this cover for a few weeks, the budget aspect started to show through the cracks, literally. While the shiny finish looks unique, I found it to be a magnet for scratches. I tossed a shovel on top of it while working in the yard, and it left a noticeable mark that wouldn't buff out. A matte finish usually hides that kind of wear much better. 4. Rough Country Hard Trifold. Rough Country is a massive name in the off-road community, so I had high hopes for this low-profile hardcover. Visually, this is one of the best-looking covers on the list. It sits flush with the bed rails rather than sitting on top of them, giving your Ram 1500 a super sleek aerodynamic look. From 10 feet away, it looks like a factory option. The panels are made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum, and the flush mount design supposedly improves fuel economy by reducing wind drag more effectively than the raised covers. Using the cover day-to-day is fairly simple. It operates with a pull cable latch system that is accessible from either side of the bed. I really liked that I didn't have to walk around to the other side of the truck to unlatch it. The flush profile also means that you retain the use of your stake pockets, which is a huge feature if you plan on installing tie-downs or a rack system later on. It feels solid when closed, and the aluminum panels felt rigid enough to set a toolbox on without bowing. But, and this is a significant but, the low-profile design comes with its own set of drawbacks. Because it sits flush inside the rails, the water management system relies heavily on drain tubes. During my testing, these drain tubes were easily overwhelmed by a heavy downpour. I found pooling water in the bed near the cab because the drain tubes had slightly kinked during installation, a finicky process that took much longer than it should have. The instructions were vague, and getting the rails perfectly level so the cover would snap shut required a lot of trial and error. Furthermore, the quality control seems hit or miss. The unit I installed arrived with some sharp metal burrs on the underside of the rails that actually scratched my hand when I was tightening the clamps. 3. MOSTPLUS Soft. This is where we start to see a shift towards better value and user experience. Unlike the previous two, this is a soft vinyl cover, but it brings a unique feature to the table. It's a quad fold, 4 sections, rather than the standard trifold. This design choice is actually brilliant. By having 4 smaller panels instead of 3 large ones, the cover folds up much more compactly near the cab. On a short bed Ram 1500, every inch of space counts, and this cover gave me significantly more open bed space to haul furniture without having to remove the entire cover. The vinyl material used here feels surprisingly thick and marine grade. I was expecting something thin and prone to flapping, but the MOSTPLUS cover stays taut even at highway speeds. I drove this thing down the interstate at 75 miles per hour, and while there was a little bit of rippling, it didn't make that annoying drum-like thumping sound that cheap soft covers are famous for. The crossbars are built into the vinyl, so rolling it up or folding it back is a smooth one-person operation. Installation was a breeze compared to the rough country. It came fully assembled in the box. I just had to place it on the rails, line it up, and tighten the clamps. The clamps themselves are decent, plastic handles with metal bolts, which is standard for this price range. I also appreciated the weather sealing on this unit. Despite being a budget brand, the MOSTPLUS cover kept my bed bone dry during a light rain shower. The edges seal nicely over the bed rails, creating a canopy effect that sheds water effectively. I also want to highlight the latching system. It uses a simple lever clamp at the rear that is easy to adjust. You can tighten the tension on the vinyl by spinning the clamps, which is a crucial feature as vinyl tends to expand in the summer and shrink in the winter. Number 2, Tyger Auto T3. If you've spent any time on truck forums, you know this cover. It is widely considered the gold standard for soft tonneau covers, and after testing it, I completely understand why. The T3 features a heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl that feels significantly more robust than the MOSTPLUS. It has a leather grain texture that looks premium and tough. When I installed this on my Ram, the fitment was practically perfect right out of the box. The frame is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, which makes the structure incredibly rigid for a soft cover. I took this cover on a camping trip, and it endured branches scraping against it and heavy gear being tossed around without showing a single scuff. The installation is arguably the easiest on this entire list. It features Tyger's patented US clamp system, which is robust and foolproof. I had this cover fully installed and watertight in under 15 minutes, with zero tools required other than the lighting kit they include. Speaking of watertight, the Tyger T3 is a fortress. During my testing, I subjected it to the same high-pressure car wash that the Toptinity failed, and the bed remained completely dry. The weather stripping is thick and plush, sealing perfectly over the bulkheads and the tailgate. It even comes with extra weather stripping just in case your specific bed liner causes gaps, but I didn't even need to use it. The tension control system is also top-notch, keeping the cover tight as a drum, which not only looks great but improves aerodynamics. Another massive pro for the Tyger T3 is the warranty. They offer a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and hardware, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product. It's rare to find that level of support for a soft cover. Number 1, RealTruck BAKFlip MX4. This is a premium hard folding cover, and from the moment you touch it, you know it's in a different league. The panels are constructed from heavy-duty aluminum with a premium matte black finish that is scratch-resistant, UV-resistant, and matches the OEM plastic trim of the Ram perfectly. It doesn't just look like an accessory, it looks like part of the truck. The standout feature of the MX4 is its versatility. Unlike the other covers on this list, the MX4 can be folded all the way up against the back of the cab, giving you 100% bed access without having to remove the cover. It uses durable prop rods to hold the cover in place safely, even at highway speeds. I utilized this feature to haul a refrigerator, and it was a game changer not having to unclamp and store a heavy cover. The third brake light is still visible even when the cover is flipped up, which keeps you legal and safe. Security is where the MX4 really shines. The panels automatically latch as you fold them down, so you never have to worry if you remembered to lock a section. When the tailgate is closed and locked, this cover is virtually impenetrable. I tried prying up on the side rails, and there was zero flex. If you carry expensive tools or camping gear, this is the peace of mind you are paying for. Plus, the dual-action tailgate seal is the best I've tested. You can close the tailgate with the cover up or down, with zero interference. During the water test, the MX4 performed exceptionally well. It uses a sophisticated drain tube system integrated into the flush mount rails that channels water away instantly. Even in a torrential downpour, my cargo stayed dry. The low-profile design sits completely flush inside the bed rails, maintaining the clean lines of the truck while allowing you to use the stake pockets for other accessories.